This is Brother Barnes. I think I have slick figured out how to do a true and false question in TestGen. Every time I try to insert a true and false question, it always defaults to false, and I don't want all of my true and false questions to be false. So what I figured out to do is to insert a multiple choice question, put the correct answer in the first blank, the incorrect in the second blank. Whenever we export this to Canvas, I will be able to remove these other two blanks, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So I've already saved this as a paper test. The next thing I want to do is export it as a QTI, and this is showing up on the other screen. Let's see if I can pick QTI. You're not really seeing that, and I'm so sorry, but just pick QTI and say OK. And then I'm going to save this as a trial import. Yes, I want to do that. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to deploy this in Canvas. So in Canvas, I want you to go to Settings, and I want you to go to Import Course Content. I want you to import a QTI zip file. I want you to bring in the trial import one, import it. It's queued up, it's trying, it is running, and it is done. So the next thing I want to do is go to my quizzes and find, why is the trial import not showing up? Hold on a minute. Let's try. Oh, it's unnamed quiz. Okay, this came in as an unnamed quiz. I am so sorry, but that's okay. We can deal with that. Let's edit this. And here is the question. And if we show the details, notice that here's the question. The answer is false. All we have to do is just click Edit, and then we can ditch these other two choices, update it, and bam, save it, and all of a sudden I have a true and false question. There we go. And I slick did it by creating a multiple choice question in TestGen. There we go. That did it.